Hi everyone, my name is Jeanette and I'm going to show you how to make these awesome diagrams. I'm going to show you how you're able to go in and customize them accordingly to whatever you're going to be creating a diagram for. Nevertheless, it allows you to do that. Also, if you don't want a diagram and you want a pie chart, this software allows you to do that, and it works with ChatGPT. So I can come here and create flowcharts or just something to show sequence. Anyhow, let's get started. Let me show you the quick and easy way. Okay, so right now I am on ChatGPT 4 and I am going to come here and then notice how I have the plugins. I'm going to check the plugins and I'm going to show you the ones that I downloaded. The following ones. I've downloaded the diagram one, Scholar AI, and Show Me Diagram. So right now it's going to be using the Show Me Diagram. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to give it a prompt. Your prompt could be as easy as create a diagram showing whatever it is that you want to be able to showcase. Mine is just saying, hey, I want you to create a prompt that's going to let me know or put teacher apps available. I'm going to hit go and automatically it's going to start generating those particular requests. So notice how it's showing using Show Me Diagrams, and it's saying it created it. Here it is, the categories. And now let me create it for you. So now it's building it. And I'm hoping it's nice and done. If not, I'll speed it up so that you can see it. Okay, so here we go. So it says you can view this diagram in a new tab. You can edit the diagram online if you want to make any changes. So I'm going to click here so you can see the actual diagram. And I am going to move my website because it cut it off. Up. All right, so here is the actual diagram that it built for me. Now I can always come back and have it create something else if I'm not happy with it. But this is another way that you can utilize ChatGPT to put something to work for you.